afternoon and greetings from lovely Richmond. Richmond Hill off for an amazing walk, and I wanted to wish everybody a great Friday. So this week's been quite interesting. Hired a coach for myself, so I've been having coaching, which is always interesting when a coach gets coached, telling you all the information you need. And now I'm out for a walk with a fabulous friend who I worked with at Hewlett Packard many years ago, and we're going to enjoy ourselves, have a couple of glasses of wine and an amazing meal. So I wanted to wish each and every one of you an amazing weekend. Be sure to step out of your comfort zone and have fun. If you need to get any help or get in touch at Cindy Etzel at cookingupsuccess.co.uk, or I should say it's Cindy at cookingupsuccess.co.uk, and have a marvelous day.